Hi everyone, my name is Dalton, otherwise known as the Instructor. Today I will be showing you how to check damaged, crackhead, broken wheel rim or attaching part. This is your rim. This is your attaching part. Here we go now. First and foremost, my wheel is stuck. Okay? My rim is tight, safe and secure. I'm pulling on the rim. My rim is tight, safe and secure. Around the rim, which is here, around the rim, no crack, no damage, safe and secure. In between the fasteners, which is here, no crack, no damage, safe and secure. Around the lip, which is here, there's no leak. The valve, no leak. My hub is tight and cool, no leak in the seal. Inside the rim, no crack, no damage, no leak in the seal, safe and secure. Like, share, subscribe. See you soon. I'm out of here.